Hi and welcome. This video will explain how you can charge your glove batteries. Your Xsens Metagloves come with interchangeable batteries which last up to 4 hours on a single charge. You can charge the batteries in 3 ways. By connecting your gloves to your PC using the provided USB-C cables. By using the provided USB-C cables and a power plug. By charging them in a Manus charger. Manus charger can be purchased separately. If you want to use your gloves for an extended period of time, we have 2 options. You can use your gloves wired, or you can attach them to a direct power source like a power bank.